Yeah, I know, guys, I know. One of you guys, let me answer that first, okay? You say, why am I always laughing at the beginning of my videos? It's just, I'm gonna answer that in a minute, okay? But before that, guys, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money, and so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maximus mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, look at market performance for the past 24 hours. After that, we'll check out prices in details. And right after that, we'll look at our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? Oh man. So yeah. Okay. Let's get this started. First, to answer your question, why am I always laughing? I mean, you have to understand this. Everybody sees life different. Okay? In my opinion, I believe if you start your day positive, you are going to achieve greater things. If you start your days being grumpy, you're going to end up in a bad place. But that is one of my first reasons why I'm always laughing at everything. And when I mean everything, I mean I wake up, first thing I usually do is try to read all your comments and and try and it cracks myself, right? It makes me laugh when people, I don't know, maybe some people don't think about what they're about to say, or maybe they think about it later, or maybe, I don't know. Well, everybody's different. Yeah, man. But it makes me laugh when, for example, somebody comes and says in the comments, yeah, you've been saying it's not going to happen, but the S&P 500 is down 5%. Hello, what was the S&P 500 price when Trump announced that he's going to put tariffs on everything? Can you go back and check? What is it now? You understand? Again, those are things that people sometimes they like to just talk, and it cracks me. It makes me laugh. Okay, let's use a very familiar asset. Where was Casper before all these tariffs thing started? Where is it now? Okay, because I do remember before the Liberation Day, which, as they call it, which was the second and the third, Kaspa was trading at 6.5, 6.6 cents, right? And I do remember telling you, everybody and their grandmama is going to panic, which is going to do what? Go this way. Go back and watch my video. He's going to do this, but he's going to be like, uh-oh, nope, that way, right? That's what I told you. And that's exactly what you're looking at. I don't know where exactly, what people, I don't know, did you want to understand only what you see, or what you choose to understand? That's what makes me crack. And every day I wake up and I look at things like that. Like this guy saying, telling me, well, it looks like I FOMO'd into meme coins, and I'm looking at myself like, where have I FOMO'd in on meme coins? I don't like meme coins in the first place. How in the world? It's just like I laugh about those kind of things. Understand? You see somebody saying, coming here in broad daylight, telling me like, hey, Casper is going to 1 cent. And then look at the development of Casper. Look at price action of Casper. And I then start laughing. Okay? It looks like, yeah, things like that. That is why if you ask me like, like this morning, my kid, he made me laugh too as soon as I got up to go get him back to school. You know, those little things. That's why I come in here, and unfortunately, I'm so happy every day. First, not because of anything else, but because If you look at the 24 hours, just the fair fact, the mere fact that I'm alive is a reason to be happy. The mere fact that I'm sitting here today, I'm healthy, I'm not sick, I all my limbs are working, all my fingers, okay, everything is working. It's something to be happy about. Okay, just that fact alone, to know that 24 hours have gone by and I'm still here. There's a lot of people that crossed that bridge yesterday. There's a lot of people in the hospitals today. There is a lot of people going through bad situations yesterday, and I'm still here. You know, it's one reason to be like, yeah, the guy up there, yeah, he got my back. You know, so that is the same energy I try to project onto you guys, anybody that watches my video. That's why I laugh every time. That's why I am happy every time. And again, if you think like you're gonna come onto my channel, drop a bad comment and you're gonna mess up my day, man, you're talking to the wrong person, because you're not. It's not gonna happen. I'm gonna sit here, go look, I don't delete comments, I let them there. They're gonna come back and eat their own words. Because again, in every bad situation, I try to see the positive outcome of it. And we're about to talk about that in a minute. That's me, okay? Most people that come here and bash Quant, talk bad, I'm sorry. Come here and talk bad about Quant, talk bad about Kaspa, talk bad about any investment I'm always projecting, is because first, they are chasing pumps and dumps. That's number one. Number two, they have very short sights. They can't see 5 feet in front of them. That is why they come here and talk nonsense. And number three, maybe they FOMO'd in, which is something that I always tell you guys, do not FOMO in. And that thing, guys, is what's about to happen with Kaspa. The same goes with Quant. Right now that prices are down, everybody and their grandmama is looking at that next pump. Okay, and I'm telling you, you want to make money. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. You want to make money, not just for this run. You want to make money for generations to come, for your sons, for your sons' sons, and their sons' sons' sons. Just like, hey, my grandmother and my grandpa, they had Uncle Tommy, and Uncle Tommy had children. They had my mom had me. Imagine if my grandma had Kaspa, I would be rich today. Imagine that if my grandma had invested in something like let's see, what did they have back in the day? Gold. Imagine if grandma and grandpa had gotten enough gold, worth 10,000 pounds of gold back then, when it was worth nothing. Imagine what I will be sitting today. It's the same situation, but with Kaspa. 10,000 Kaspa starts you that journey, okay? But well, we're here to talk about that. We're here to talk about people that want to always be negative. It is not good for you. It's not good for your health. It's not good for the people around you. You have to understand it. I've said it, I don't know how many times. Tariffs are going to come. The big bad wolf is going to come. And now people going to be running down the hill thinking the market is blah, 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 all this and that. What you don't see, okay, reading between the lines, this is very bullish for the market. And that is what I'm trying to let you see. Is very bullish for the market. Looking between the lines, okay, because like situation, what do you think is the end goal for Trumpicians, magicians? The end goal, I can tell you right now, is to make sure that all these people that have tariffs on US made, US manufactured, whatever the US has to export, they drop those tariffs. That is the end goal. And if they drop that, my friends, is going to lead for US manufacturers to expand. US manufacturers expanding, it means creating more jobs. Creating more jobs leads to more taxes getting paid. More taxes getting paid leads to number one thing. The government expenditure can be handled without having to borrow. Okay, because guess what? Some of that money is going to come from the tariffs. I mean, the money needed for everything infrastructure the US needs, some of it is going to come from those tariffs, higher volume that it was coming before, and the rest is going to come from the taxes that are now going to be high income. I mean, income coming from taxes is going to be high because there is a lot of jobs. That, my friends, is the end goal. That is why we have these tariff wars. In parentheses, Liberation Day. That is what it is all about. So yeah, the market is going to shake. I'm going to show you right now, yesterday, what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin went up, all the way up, then all the way down, and then now we're seeing Bitcoin recovering again. I told you, the market is going to look crazy, but it's not going to crash as many people expect, because there is a lot of things that are riding behind this. If the market crash as you think is going to happen, that means recession. It will come in further. And looking at the central banks, looking at the M2, looking at everything written on the wall, it's not time yet. It is coming, but it's not time. So yeah, you see people crying. Like yesterday, I can tell you this, I saw my Jasmine position go down almost 95%. But yeah, I was just looking at it like, yeah, it's not gonna go down that one. If it goes 98, well, yeah, maybe I will scale it up some more, but I don't think I have to worry myself about it. No time yet. Because again, you look at the indication, look at MACD, look at RSI, look at everything on the chart, it is showing you that the price is way oversold. For example, for Jasmine, 13 weeks on a row, Jasmine has had a downturn price going downwards. 13 weeks in a row. The highest I've ever seen on an asset is 7 weeks, but it's been suppressed 13 weeks. And now Jasmine is on that point that last time we got to that point, price exploded, which was around 1 cent. Okay, so yeah, you want to be bearish, that's you. I can tell you that. Okay, me, I am a long-term trader. I don't look at daily movements. No, I don't. I know for a fact, like, if you look at everything else, including the most important one, people's psychology, it shows me that this market is about to run. Okay, yeah, people be looking at like the other guy that made me laugh even more. He said, you've been saying this for months, the market is about to run. Yeah, I have been saying that, and I will keep saying it for those of you who want to pay attention. If you don't want to pay attention, look, listen, I'm not holding you hostage to watch my channel. Okay, like I said, this is my millionaire journey. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. If you want, listen, I'm not your financial advisor. If you want to follow my strategy, good. You don't want to follow my strategy, good. If you feel like you're going to make more money with XRP, with Cardano, with Turbo AI, more power to you, brother. like, like I said, you can go on to that. Okay? For me, in my personal opinion, I feel like I'm going to make more money on Kaspa, on Quant, on Jasmine, on Cubic. I think I'm going to make more money on those, include Terra Luna Classic, because again, Terra Luna has a technology that I think is going to be useful to a bunch of things. Now, in those ones, I do have long term and I do have short term. Long term, by what do I mean by that? Long term meaning 10, 15 years down the road, which in that category, I do have my King Kaspa and I do have my Quant because of what they are working on and what they've started to prove themselves. Like, okay, this is where we're going. Short term, yeah, I do have Jasmine, I do have, excuse me. Yeah, apologize for that. Well, like I was saying, for long term, I do have Kaspa and Quant. Short term, I do have that Jasmine, I do have Cubic, I do have Terra Luna Classic. There's a bunch of them there for short term. For Bitcoin, like I already told you guys, I'm going to sell it, but I just want to see for the next 1 or 2 bull runs what it does. Okay, so yeah, everybody has their own strategy. Other people have whatever they want to do. Okay, so you can sit here and cry about it. You can sit here and not see the opportunity right in front of you. That is entirely up to you. Like again, like I said, look at major assets. Look at it before before the Trump days or the Trump liberation date. Where was Bitcoin? 80,000, right? What happened? It went all the way up yesterday, 88, I think it was. And now, where is it again? Back to the same 81, 80,000. Again, still the same thing. For those of them who wants to be just objective, oh yeah, it's dumping. It's actually not dumping. Like I said, people, yeah, sorry about that. Well, people like to front run the market. That is what happens. And I was warning you guys about this. I was telling you guys, the price action you're looking at was not real. The real price action is coming, and that's exactly what you see. People front running the market, they push the price up to 88,000. Now the real thing comes back down. Okay, now we're about to start the real walking, the real price movement. You're about to start it, because if you look at the M2, it shows you that yeah, the right price action, this is what you should be seeing. If you would have gone straight to 88, 89, 90,000 dollars, it would have deviated from the M2 market supply chart. You see it, and still, like, I don't get it. I don't understand why people are so. I mean, like, I try to understand. I try to understand people, and I still don't get it. I don't. Some people say, yeah, bear market is here. In the that's another one that made me laugh. When he said like the bear market is here, and I'm looking at him, I'm going, huh, I don't understand. But like, he must be one of the people that closes shop early. So yeah, the important thing is that if you make money, that's good. If you make money, you're happy with what you are, with what you make, that's good. But for me, the bear market is not here. In the last bull run, for example, that's the most recent one, we saw Bitcoin drop all the way down to, I think, like 52, 53%, and it still bounced. This run, like I always say, I'm telling you guys, and I will show you in the charts right quick. I did show you guys yesterday. This run is different. There is a lot of macro situations that are affecting the price of Bitcoin. It's different. Most people don't want to see it. Everybody is stuck to that same loop. The same loop that the bear market, bull market have always taken. That is where everybody's stuck into. But this run, I know for 4 months I've been saying it, and I will keep saying it again until it gets engraved into your head and you don't go losing your money. But anyways, I'm not your financial advisor. But again, this run, there is a lot of things that are affecting this bull run, and everybody else is just busy looking at the price like, oh yeah, it fell 2% today, oh yeah, it fell 10% yesterday. Guys, people are expecting that $70,000 Bitcoin, and I'm telling you again, looking at everything, it's not going to happen. Guys, look at it. Well, I guess like if you look at charts, and charts are telling you one thing, and then you look at people's sentiments, they're also telling you another thing. And then you go look at the M2 money supply, which again is showing you clearly, very clearly, that this market is not going lower. What you're looking at is just people panicking. It's just grandma panicking, thinking like, okay, I can't fry no more 2 eggs per person because the tariffs are gonna make the chicken walking on the street the price of the chicken go high, and therefore the eggs are going to increase 25% more. That is what you're looking at. You're looking at, I have never seen Uncle Tommy run the treadmill before. That is something real. You're about to start seeing Uncle Tommy and with his friend Uncle Louis go like, yeah, we gotta try to maintain here because there will be no more cheesecakes. That's exactly the situation. Okay, you're about to start seeing people try to adjust. thinking this is what's going to happen. But the real truth of all this, my friends, is bullish. Bullish momentum for the US economy. Bullish momentum for the US dollar. Because like we already know, we have a very high inflation on the US dollar. And these tariffs, my friends, even though people don't see it, they are meant to make US dollar stronger. They are meant to make the US dollar even a little bit, how do I put it? They are meant to control the inflation on the US dollar. Okay? Right now, it is a negotiating thing. For example, I told you guys, Japan putting 800% tariffs on US made rice. The biggest consumer for the Japanese rice or whatever is the US. What do you think the Japanese is going to do once they figure out, you know what, the US is also putting the same amount on us? Do you think they're going to risk their economy? They're not. They're going to either sit on the negotiating table, okay, sit on the negotiating table and try to work things out, or maybe say, you know what, we're going to reduce your tariffs as long as you reduce ours. That is what's going on right now. A list came out on everybody that Trump is putting tariffs on, and they are all sitting on the same thing. Therefore, look at Bitcoin today. Look at Bitcoin. Everybody else still bearish on it, and I'm telling you, and I'll keep saying it again, this bull run, the last leg, is on right now. Everybody else is expecting, yeah, you know what, the bear market is here. Some people are even saying altcoin season, and I'm telling you, altcoin season is here. You just need to know what coin you are trading. Look at price action. Look at price action on the coins that we are trading. Quant, for example, we've been going from 64 to I think it is $90, 64 to $90. That's what the range has been for the past 4 months. Go look at it. Look at Jasmine. Jasmine is the only one trending downwards because there's a lot of mechanic, what you say, Binance doing their own shitty things, which nobody understands. But yeah, sooner than later, they're going to stop it and it's going to start running. Look at Kaspa. Everybody else talking about Kaspa right now, and I keep telling you, a coin on testnet will not do that much price action the way you think. Now that we have 10 blocks per second live, we have Ingra Labs, they're already testing their smart contracts. And guys, I know somebody said they're going to delay the smart contracts. Well, let's see if that happens, because as far as I know, all the developers working on smart contracts, they are all on testnet right now. Okay, testnet right, testing everything, making sure that it's all good. By the time we go to hard fork, which now it does not mean that's when 10 blocks per second goes live. Hard fork mean now we're gonna leave this testnet behind, and now we're going mainnet, which will include 10 blocks per second and smart contracts on it, and you guys will see. So yeah, you can sit here and cry about it if you want, but I'm gonna sit here and laugh about it, because again, life is not just on trading. Life is a lot of things, and I'm so happy and grateful for a lot of things. That's why when I start my videos, I almost I look at the good things that are around me, and I feel happy, very happy. And again, now you can close shop if you want, but I can tell you this, in moments like this, you see, when there is blood on the street, this is when people really make money. This is when money is made. If you want to run up down the hill talking about this volcano is about to erupt, well, I wish you good luck with the tsunami, because the tsunami coming, which is already here, yeah, let's see how it goes. People's psychology, my friends. People's psychology. Look at everything else. When the announcement, like I said, look at when the announcement came out before yesterday. What was the prices? How did the price run up? And what were the prices now? Biden news, Biden news sell event, however they say it. That's what's going on right now. Instead, I'm telling you, I am piling up. I'm buying more coins. I'm getting ready for my stuff. And then when we get here and start selling, start making that money, don't say you wasn't told. That's one thing I gotta tell you. Because yeah, I will sit here and I will tell you, I told you so. That's what I will do. Anyways, guys, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market, see how the market has been performing for the let's go look how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay, now let's go look here, and we're gonna have crypto bubbles. Let's look at crypto bubbles right quick. uh Holy crap, look at that. That's on the daily, right? Again, because Liberation Day came by, and everybody and their grandmama being afraid of it. Yeah. But like you can see, let me show. Drum roll. Now let's go here. What do you see? You see? Yeah, people comment like market all morning wrong, it was doing this, blah blah blah. On the 1 hour, we start to reverse. Again, it's the same thing. Before the yesterday, before today, you saw the market run up. I saw Bitcoin go to 88,000 and all the way back down again today. Again, don't forget, some people are waking up right now. Time different and all that stuff is going on. Do not be afraid, because guys, it is just momentarily. People are going to figure out that this is not as bad as people paint it to be. It is just the media trying to sell you melons for apples. That's what they're trying to do. So yeah, anyways, let's go look at the coins right quick. Let's go first with King Kaspa, KAS, and we go here. For the past hour, Kaspa is up 0.6%, 7.7% down on the day, 17% down on the week, 12.9% down on the month, 51% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.62 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $99.82 million. See that volume? Again, we getting there. It's coming, because people understand, like, okay, it's time to go. Look at the market cap again. After all the crashing people talk about, we did not lose much. Yesterday it was like what, 6.2, I mean 6.4, 6.5. Today we are 6.2. See what I'm telling you about? It's just ranging motion. Anyways, now let's go look at Quant, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. If you look at this, Quant for the past hour, 0.3% down, 3.7% down on the day, 11.1% down on the week, 22.9% down on the month, and 43.6% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $979.95 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $47.12 million. Looking at Jasmine, which is Japanese Bitcoin. Again, you will understand whatever Jasmine does, Bitcoin is doing. Look at that. 0.7% up the last hour, 9.6% down on the day, okay, 22.5% down on the week, 38.6% down on the month, and 48.1% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $475.06 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $89.79 million. That volume is also started to pick up. Now look at Cubic. High risk, high rewards, like I said. Okay, so for Cubic, we have here 1.3% down the last hour, 8.8% down on the day, 14.7% down on the week, 21.1% down on the month, and 87.2% down on the year. You guys remember that thing was like 97% a couple days ago, sitting at the market cap of $104.65 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $2.17 million. That volume also went up. Yesterday we were sitting at one point some million dollars. But anyways, looking at Bitcoin, last but not the least, Bitcoin we have 0.2% the last hour, down 6% down on the day, 5.9% down on the week, 2.1% down on the month, and 24.8% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.6 trillion. Look at that. What was the volume yesterday? See? What was the market cap? See that? $1.62 trillion from 1.66, I think it was, yesterday. And look at today's volume, $53.46 billion. That volume has begun to pick up. Again, everybody else being afraid of it, I don't know. Seriously, I don't know what to tell you. Because if you look at gold, gold is pumping, and gold usually, Bitcoin usually follow gold. Okay, so excuse me. Let's go back here, right there. Again, like I said, if you look at gold during the recession and during the bear market, gold price shows different. But again, come on. Again, I can tell you that gold is pumping. Gold is going up. That's why for me, I say to store your value, the real store of value is gold. Let's look at this right quick. Come on, not this one. Here. This is the gold. Okay, you can Google it, or if you have a better chart, whatever you want to look. 5 years in a row. See that? Gold has been rising. Gold has been going up in price. This is why I think, like, you see today, gold going up even higher. Let's just say that for the past 5 days. Let's take that for example. See, with the liberation yesterday, or let's go with the daily. I think daily should explain it better. See, that's what happened. And this is why I'm telling you that Bitcoin is about to start rallying. Kaspa and all these crypto assets, they're about to start rallying, because yesterday gold took that hit. You see that right there. Gold took a hit all the way down to $3,000. So I think it was 2,800 thereabout. That's what happened yesterday. And look at the price today. You see how it's risen? It went back down from today around 8 o'clock. It started to go. So yeah, I don't see why you panicking. Everything else is playing according. Everything else is playing according to plan, right? So you can see people try to run. You can see people try to complain. You can see people gonna come over here and spread the FUD and whatever. Again, it's part of being an investor. That's why you see, again, not many people are millionaires. Not many. Because this that you are doing, staying solid in the price, in the day that price is doing this, staying solid in months that price has been doing this, guys, only 1%. Only 1%. And yeah, you see people try to FOMO in when they start to see these prices start to run higher, and those are the people that usually get end up holding the hot potato. It's that simple as that. Okay, so yeah, you see everything else, like I always laugh about it, because yeah, people look I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry, because like you see people who claim to know what they're talking about, and at the end of the day, yeah, I don't know, but yeah, we gotta see. We're about to see it. The other one said that yesterday, like, once you see Kaspa $1, he gonna come out and say, yeah, he told me so. Yes, I will. I will come out here and I will tell you I told you so, because you are probably one of the people who said Kaspa is going to 1 cent, and I'm telling you it's not happening. It's not happening. That's why I like about these comments. Please make sure you don't go back and don't delete them, because we have a couple of weeks left. Couple of weeks left for smart contracts to go live. Once they go, I am going to start reading all your comments. Those of you who want to spread FUD, I will read your comments live. Okay, and I hope you don't go back and delete them. Keep them there. Okay. Some of you, it's not even worth answering. I'm just like read them, and I wake up every morning and laugh at them, because like, yeah, they're just as lame as they come. So, anyways guys, let's go look at prices in details right quick. Again, we can't do, I told you guys, doing TA right now is not really worth it. So we're probably gonna start looking at TA after the 6th or the 7th of this month, thereabout, because right now people are still panicking. So let's just rush through this price in details a little bit. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna need our good friend Trading View right now. So we're gonna start first with I like to start with King Kaspa, but let's see who pulls up. Although like right now, since we are not doing TA, it don't really matter who comes up first. Well, this is Jasmine. As you guys can see, like I said, Jasmine, we've been 13 weeks on the roll. Okay, right now Jasmine is sitting on an important support at that 1 cent on the weekly. If you look at it on the daily, let's see what the day has to say. Oh, excuse me. On the daily, yeah, we broke down it. But yeah, it is still an important support. I think it's going to go higher than that. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, but again, Jasmine can't really do anything until Bitcoin starts to move. 4 hourly, yeah, we are below that important support. Look at it on the 1 hourly. Yeah, it looks like it wants to come up. Yeah, let's watch and see what Bitcoin does, because all this price action for Jasmine depends heavily on what Bitcoin is doing. But anyways, you can see those last 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, we were right there at that 0.009, less than a cent. That's where we was. There was a lot of trading activity there. If you go back on the chart and look, you're going to see it. It's a lot of trading activities there that shows. Oh man, I hate trading view on a cell phone. See how it moves my lines? The line's supposed to be down here, right there. That's where it's supposed to be. It moves there. If you go looking at it, yeah, it shows you there's a lot of trading activity right there. So yeah, let's see what Bitcoin does. Anyways, now let's go to King Kaspa right quick. That's one of the most interesting ones right now. We have Kaspa on MEXC. So yeah, on Kaspa, yeah, we do have the same thing. So you can see that important support / resistance on 6.04 cents. That's what we've been battling. We've been going up it, down it, up above it, down above it. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. So I'm looking at the ribbon spreading out, looking like it wants to curve. So yeah, it looks like we're about to get ready to go above that important resistance / support again. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, yeah, the same thing. We're just battling it right now. If you look at it on the daily, let's look on the daily. Yeah, the same thing. So yeah, let's wait. People are still panicking. Let's see how they're gonna end up. if they end up like yeah, everybody's realizing that it's not what it is. Okay, so anyways, now let's go look at quant right quick. Like I told you guys, there's no point. You can't do a TA on the people's panic mode. Like, people are busy right now panicking. You can't really do nothing about it. So anyways, now you look at quant for the past day, ribbon still falling down. We are sitting at $67 a price. Yeah, let's wait and see. The same thing goes when you go here, look at it on the last 4 hours. Yeah, it looks a little bit more prices being stable. Yeah, so yeah, let's wait. And you look at it on the last hourly. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to go above the ribbon. Yeah, yeah, let's wait and see, because again, everything depends on what Bitcoin does. Now if you want to go that way, let's look at Bitcoin right quick. Okay, look at Bitcoin. There it is. See, the same purple line. Like I've been telling you guys, it always goes down. This purple line goes all the way back to even before the halving. It has been a strong support. That's why I don't think Bitcoin is going to drop below $80,000, because this purple line is very, very strong. If you look at it in the 4 hourly, look on the 4 hour right quick. Here, see, it comes in, touches it. The same thing. It just, look, even if you go back, follow the purple line. Okay, every time price action, see, purple line comes, touches, and this was on the Tuesday, March 11. If you go back, let's go, keep on going. It always comes back, touches it, and bounce off it. Let me take it on the weekly, I think, to make it go faster, instead of us staying over here trying to scroll all the way back down there. You know, it goes all the way back. See, that's the purple line right there. Let's see, where does it touch? Let's see, let's go. Because it goes, see right there, this was when was this? October 2023. See, this purple line has been multi-year. It's a multi-year support. Okay, that's why for me, I don't think, like everybody's calling for $70,000 Bitcoin, I don't think it's gonna go down there, because that support line has been like really, really strong. And if you look at it, it's forming a kind of symmetrical triangle right now. See, this is what I was telling you guys yesterday. Price went up to $88,000. Uh, if you do remember, I told you what was going to happen, because here, see that wick, liquidate shorts and then drop, liquidate longs. That's what's going to happen. And next thing you are going to see is that price is going to do the same. See that, bam, and when we go, because like, yeah, everything Bitcoin is doing right now is pre-programmed, and I'm telling you, pay attention to the M2 market supply. That shows you exactly what price is about to do next. Look at the moving average. See, it's not going up, it's not going down, it's just sitting flat. So yeah, that's what I'm telling you. I am not bearish. I don't see myself being bearish, because let's go back here. I don't see myself being bearish. It's not. It's a trick. People are trying. Man, people are just panicking. That's what it is. And when they panic, some people are like, let me try to save my 20% before it goes to zero. And that is what exactly market makers want you to do. Okay? If you can understand it, I don't know how else I can what else to tell you. It is it is what it is. Okay, if you want to sit there be bearish about it, that's you. I am not, because I see the opportunity in between those lines. Okay, anyways guys, sooner than later you will figure it out, and I hope it's not too late. Okay, I hope it's not to the point like you've lost it all, you've lost all the opportunities, and you're not FOMOing in because you made your decision based on people that were flooding either my channel or flooding the price or any other person's channel. But anyways, it's up to you. It's up to you to make that decision, because in my opinion, these tariffs are a good thing for the US economy, for the US dollar. Of course, people are panicking because it's the first time they've seen it happen. And again, I told you guys, Trump in 2018 did the same thing. And you can go back and look at history. And like usually say, history is not the same, but it normally rhymes, right? Yeah, that's what you're about to see. Coupled adding to the point that if you look at the M2 market supply or market money supply, you are going to look at like, yeah, M2 is going up. Looking at gold, just like I just showed you, gold is pumping, and gold going up usually be an indicator of Bitcoin and the rest of the assets also going to start to go up. And if you don't even want to look at it that way, I told you they are going to pump it. Trust me, economy is going to shit right now. Okay, they're trying to fix it. Whatever reason, they are going to pump this thing. Look at M2 again. I think in M2 from May, we have May, June, July, 2 or 3 months of markets going up. After that, we don't know what will happen. But I think after that, that's when everything will go to shit. But anyways, let's wait and see. So yeah, you being bearish right now? Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, guys, let's go look at my positions right quick, okay? Let's see how the market has been tricking us so far. Very well. You guys want to be bearish? It's up to you. But before you go there, please do not leverage trade if you don't have experience. Me, I do that because I do have experience on what I'm doing. I can see my position go down 80-90%. I don't care. All I have to do is scale them up and keep on holding it, because I know very soon, we're just a couple of weeks away before the whole entire market will start looking green again, and most people will wish they had positions open. Okay, I'm a long-time trader. I've said it here so many times. I don't look at price action. I just open my chart. I just open my positions, and there we go. Scale them up. I don't look at price. Sometimes it comes close to 90%. I scale it up. Sometimes I even wait until I see 95% of my position being down. That's when I scale it up. But again, it's up to you. Okay, I'm just saying it. Please do not leverage trade if you don't have any experience, or else you will lose your money. Down below, I do have Bydfi. Okay, I do have Margex, Wix, and Phemex. Use those links. If you use those links and sign up, meet their deposit quorum or their deposit demands, you will get a lot of money. Once you get it, just take $100 and practice. Because one thing you know, whether you like it or no, or not, you are going to make mistakes, and it's always better to make mistakes with $100 than making mistakes with thousands of dollars. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. Look at first we're going to start with Bydfi. You guys know there I am trading there I am trading King Kaspa, and I'm also trading Quant. Yesterday my overall was like 6,200 or something like that. As you guys can see today, my overall is 5,600. I looked at it last night. I was down almost $3,000 on this, and yeah, it is what it is. Again, a lot of you will be asking, why is my position moving like this? I trade at 50x, guys. Me trading at 50x means the market moving up and down, my positions also moves up or down very aggressively. You can pause it and you can look at my numbers. Again, my liquidations are so low, I'm not worried about this. So anyways, that's what it is. Okay, now if you go look at Phemex, on Phemex I am trading King Kaspa and Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine, the one I was telling you guys, 13 weeks in a row it's been on the downtrend. Okay, if you look at this, my overall here, I am down 3,800. Okay, yesterday this thing was down to close to $2,000, but yeah, that's me. I don't care. It's still I'm gonna wait until I see 8 of my position at 95%. That's when I will scale it up. So far I think the dump could be over, but if you look at the contracts, you will see here for my Jasmine I am down 90%, which is $9,800, and for my Kaspa I am down 53%, which is $2,200. Okay, again, I trade at 50x. That's why you see my positions moving this fast up or down. You can pause it and you can look at it. Okay, now if we go on the last but not the least, Wix exchange. Okay, there I am trading King Kaspa, and I'm also trading on Cubic. Okay, so you guys can see my overall here, I am down 1,300. Again, just like the other ones, I trade at 50x. You can pause the video and you can look at it. That's why you see my positions doing this, going up or down, 50x on all of them. For my Cubic, I am down 66%, which is 1,200. And for my Kaspa, I'm down 58%, which is $600. So yeah, a lot of people panicking about this. I am not panicking, because like I'm telling you, these are not the numbers I'm looking for. Maybe tomorrow I will include that in my videos to show you the numbers I'm looking for, and those are the numbers we are going to start seeing in the next couple of weeks. And again, we will sit here and nobody will remember that these accounts were like this, because again, I will show you these 3 accounts in 6 figures and you will see. Okay, it's not the first time. This is exactly what happened. Those of you who are my close friends and know me personally, you know this is exactly what happened before the 2021 bull run. All my positions were looking like this. Okay, so let's go back here. Yeah, in 2021, I know a lot of people who were like, yeah, you are getting wrecked, you're doing this, your position looks 70% down, 80, 90% down. And I kept telling them, chill. You're going to see. And a lot of them that know me personally, when they saw this position, because back then I wasn't streaming YouTube, okay, when they saw my position and they were like, holy crap, I said, yeah, that's exactly what I'm telling you. I'm a long-term trader. I don't do day trades, because like the headache, I can't imagine how much stress the day traders are going through today and yesterday. And that is something I don't like to deal with. I just like to open my trades long-term and forget about it. So yeah, that being said, guys, that's exactly what I'm trying to tell you guys. Like, yeah, tariffs are here. The big bad wolf is here, but it's a toothless wolf. It's market sentiments. These market makers always do this. They are always going to do this. They are going, even the media, they are going to sell it as the worst thing ever happening in the history. But if you look in between the lines, is the best thing that could happen to the US economy. And sooner than later, people are going to realize this. And you've already seen it. Look at the price actions. You've already seen, they only do, they go up, come down, go up. Look at the moving average. Just look at the moving average. It's not going up, it's not going down, it's just sitting flat. On the main asset right now is Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Look at it. I'm just saying, like, yeah, a lot of people are going to regret it. But anyways, regardless, it's up to you. Okay, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not asking you to do anything. If you don't feel like doing it, that's you. I am only showing you guys what I am doing, which is I am buying more coins on spot. My positions are still open because, again, looking at the biggest one of them, Bitcoin, is not bearish to me. If you look at the M2 money supply, it is showing you that the entire market is about to get nuked. We're about to go up in a I don't know, as soon as people realize that it's just FUD, it's nothing real, you will see it's gonna happen. Yeah, and I'm going to sit here repeat myself over and over again. Those of you who don't like me repeating myself, I'm sorry, but this is my millionaire journey. I am trying to make you see the positive side of everything going on. If you don't like it, yeah, you can scroll down. There are other people talking about turbo AI. You can go watch them. Understand, we are not holding you, I am not holding you hostage to my videos. As simple as that. This is my millionaire journey. It's only for those of them who believe in their own potential, who believe they can pull this off. If you don't believe you can pull it off, then yeah, you're in the wrong channel. That's all I can tell you. Okay, anyways guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, don't forget to like and comment. I am very interested in knowing what you think about everything that we just talked about. And also don't forget to share so that other millionaire minded attitude people like you and yours truly can see this and the family can grow. Again, you never know what you're going to learn from a stranger, like, yeah. I hope you are not falling in or FOMOing later. You need to keep your feet on the ground. Understand what's going on. Understand that this is just fun. This is just people trying to scare you out of your position. Understand that. If you don't, well, I don't know what to tell you. Well, until I see you in my next one, please guys, take very good care of yourselves, okay? And bye-bye.